Our new listing just might check all the boxes. Amazing, private, oversized lot on a cul-de-sac in a resort-style community. Highly upgraded, literally 0 projects for you in this house. I cannot wait to show you. 17601 Brookson Court. One of my favorite features about the Stonewater floor plan is the incredible double door entry. And when you walk into the foyer, you have a sight line all the way through the house, outside to the incredible outdoor space, the lanai and the pool. Absolutely stunning. Walking into the foyer, you're gonna immediately notice all of the custom trim work that has been done in this home. There's trim and crown molding in every room of the house, and check out these cool lights. Love them. They really sparkle. All right, when you come into the front area of the Stonewater, you immediately have a little bedroom suite area. Nice size bedroom with the bay front window. And again, you're now getting a look at the trim work that has been done in this bedroom. Crown molding, large crown molding, even in the tray. The home has been freshly painted. It is neutral without with just a few feature walls. And when it was built by Pulte, it was upgraded everywhere, including this upgrading tile flooring that is throughout the home. We've got the first bathroom here that has been upgraded to a walk-in shower with a glass door. This bathroom also can double as a bathroom for your guests. And what's nice is they thoughtfully upgraded and included these pocket doors that give this front area some privacy if you desire. All right, as we carry into the rest of the house, you can see the tile inlay design that has been added here. And check out the sight line. One of my favorite things about this floor plan is the open living concept. You do have a den right here off the side. You can see the glass den doors that has been built in with storage. Again, you've got your plantation shutters, crown molding, and some shiplap there on the ceiling. Want to make sure you see the design, custom fans and lighting throughout. And one other thing I want to mention, and you will see it as we're walking, is all of the extra can lightings that have been added throughout the home. This is an upgrade with Pulte. And these owners did it in every area that it's an option. So that's fantastic. All right, you do have a dedicated dining space. I have also seen this section decorated with a piano, with an office, with a sitting area. You've got so many choices. Again, with the cool design and the trim work. Leading right into your kitchen and your open living area. Huge living space, super tall ceilings, with the coffer and additional trim work in the ceiling. And again, you're seeing all those extra can lights that were also added. 2 double doors, a triple door and a double door slider out to the pool area. These homeowners built in a storage case for their wine, just a nice extra touch. And don't forget, there's some stonework here underneath the island. Extra cabinets on the end, which is another upgrade that these folks chose. And the built-in kitchen option with upgraded KitchenAid appliances, a built-in stove, and my favorite, the built-in refrigerator. It's just a stunning, classy look. trim across the top of the cabinets. Nice backsplash, and of course, under cabinet lighting. Before we leave the kitchen, I do need to show you the pantry. Look at the size of this pantry. All of the closets have been finished and are customized. This just gives you a quick peek at the storage in the kitchen. All right, we're gonna carry into the primary bedroom suite now. Generously sized bedroom, you can see king size bed, lots of furniture and lots of room. Has a lovely view outside to your pool area. We'll get there in a minute. And the same things you're seeing throughout the home carry. Got a really cool chevron style decoration in the ceiling, extra lighting, custom lights have been brought in, trim work on the back wall. Coming into the primary ensuite, oversized walk-in shower with upgraded tile to the ceiling. I love the transom window letting in some natural light. Same trim work from behind the bed carried into this bathroom here with your double sinks and beautifully customized closet. Storage galore. Very thoughtfully done to really maximize this space in this primary ensuite. We're gonna check out the third bedroom suite area, again with the pocket door. You do have your customized linen closet outside of this bathroom here, which can also be used as a guest bath. Upgraded glass shower door. The crown molding has been carried through, even in the bathrooms. And here is bedroom number 3. Extra can lighting, custom chandelier, trim work, plantation shutters, and let me give you a look here at the custom closet. All right, but it doesn't stop there. Crown molding brought into the laundry room, upgraded with the sink and extra cabinet options. Look at all the storage you get in this laundry room. Laundry room envy for sure. And upgraded front loader appliances. Stonewater does come with a 3-car garage, and this one, of course, is upgraded just like the rest of the house. It's got an air conditioning split system, epoxy flooring, storage units. Incredible. But now we're getting to the good stuff. The lanai. Built-in TV wall with stonework. Custom pool and spa, we'll get to that in a minute. You do have your dining, eat-in area. And custom outdoor kitchen with built-in hood, Lay's grill, and beverage fridge. One of the best things about this floor plan is the amount of space you have under cover on the lanai. It is massive. And they even have built-in Sonos sound speakers out here on the lanai. And don't worry, there's some trim work out here too with the wood in the ceiling. All right, but let's get to this pool and spa. Oversized pool, spa with the overspill stack, multiple water features, bubbler on the sun shelf, and don't forget the lanai lights. A little harder to see here during the day, but they're currently set to a blue color. You can do all kinds of colors with these lanai lights, just like the illumination package in the pool. This yard is fenced in and has this extra tall, awesome Clusia hedge for privacy. Beautiful, but look at all the yard. This is a big yard for Florida. Just want to kind of give you a glance. We're going to walk back out there as well, but there is a walkway from the front of the house paved to the back, lined with rock and electric lighting for the pathway. They also have added some rock to help maintain the landscaping back here behind the pool, and of course with an edger. The pool is heated and is salt water. All right, here we go, heading to the other side of this fantastic oversized lot. And something we haven't talked about yet is the security of this home. Completely built with impact windows and doors, and they've even got automated hurricane shutters on the lanai for ease of closing things up, pulling your furniture in when you leave town, or if you need to, if a storm's coming your way. The place at Corkscrew is one of Estero's hottest neighborhoods, and it was the top selling community for 7 years running. It's located in the popular Estero community off of Corkscrew Corridor, close to International Airport, RSW, just about 10 minutes from Miramar Outlets, 15 minutes to Gulf Coast Town Center, about 15 minutes to Coconut Point, amazingly centrally located. There's a really exciting new commercial plaza about a mile down the road that includes a 2-story new concept Publix grocery store, a Dunkin' Donuts, a nail salon, a UPS store, and more to come. So incredible location. Within the place, you've got an awesome resort style pool with a 100-foot water slide, super fun. You've got a restaurant and bar. There's a snack shop, full-time racket sports person for tennis and pickleball, very active. We've got bocce, there's bingo, there's book clubs, anything you might want or not can be found here at the place at Corkscrew. If you want to know more about this home or any other home in Southwest Florida, give us a call. You can reach us at 239-776-6872. If you found this video helpful, please share it. If you know someone that this might be a fit for, let them see it. Subscribe to our channel so you can be notified every time we release new videos. We want to know, what information are you looking for about moving to or living in Southwest Florida? You can find all kinds of tools on our website, www.thegillettegroup.com, including a relocation guide to Estero.